MX-14. The first run or two is fine, but then after it gets churned up, you got to really hit it just right. All right, guys, Long Lake. This is my first ride testing out my foot and my leg after the injury at Whiskey Creek. So it's been about 3 weeks, so just hoping I don't have to plant my foot too hard, but I did a little tooling around a little bit and it feels not too bad, so see how it goes. Alright, so just taking off from the trailhead. We're at Long Lake and Cadillac, and the colors are popping, so this will actually be my color tour trail ride, because I always do one every year. Dry it is out for this time of year too. We're end of October and it is bone dry, which is not normal. Just in case Max pulls another, that's what he was talking about.
That's, yeah, I just figured that.
It gets everybody. Ah, shit, I'm gonna block him. Alright, now taking off in front of me is Kevin, and this is one of Max's buddies. This is his first time riding with us, so I'm getting some footage of him. I'll throw in a couple minutes of riding behind him, and he is riding a 23-300 XC. And then after that, I get a few minutes of Katie, which has ridden with us several times before. She was more of a track girl previously and just started riding the woods, I think, towards the end of last year, so I'll roll in some footage of her after this. But yeah, great day. Everybody was riding awesome, a lot of fun. We flowed really good and actually made it through Long Lake pretty quick. So all right, I'll be back in a minute when I roll in the footage of Katie. I'm dropping in behind Katie. Follow her for a few minutes, and she's actually running the Dunlop MX-14 scoop tire, and it was real interesting to see it doing its thing from behind her. We got into some of the sandier sections, and I could tell how nice that thing hooked up, and I've thought about running one of those. Now I think I'm actually going to next year, at least maybe for the races, or you know, if I get a spare rim or something. But anyways, I got a few more minutes of footage of her, and then that's where the video is going to end. So if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Really good control of her bike. I like how she brakes standing up, you know, and you see just a quick brake and a throttle out. She used to be a track girl that's slowly converting to more woods. She's been doing a lot of hare scrambles and you know, trail riding. Well, cool to see. She's got like a, looks like a almost new MX-14 on the back, so this thing throws some dirt, but it's actually really easy on the throttle. That was good. I got some good video of you.